play for each other. Every down, baby, we gotta go out here and put it on film.
Let's get it, fellas. Hey, man, let's go out here and have fun, man. Let's be the best secondary out there tonight, man.
Silver Black look good on me, don't it? Don't it? Raider Nation, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. It's time, baby. Grew and back, baby. It's time.
Play for each other. I don't care that it's a preseason. Let's win. Win on three. 1, 2, 3. Win.
Boot. The first catch of the preseason for Jordy Nelson. Four-man rush, and Castle goes down in the grasp of one of those rookies, P.J. Hall, the second-round pick out of Sam Houston State.
That's my junior. Son. Marshawn Jr., baby.
For the team, Connor Cook back to throw. He's got a man wide open inside the 25-yard line, Johnny Holton.
He's 6'8".
Throwing the ball. Right underneath to Martinez Bryant at a first down. Oakland out to midfield.
Keep grinding. Keep getting after their butt. Thank you very much.
Oakland. A lot of room for Warren as he gets the edge. Here on 2nd and 7. Cook with the scramble, trying to go over the top. Then he finds his tight end, Paul Butler. Cook to the back of the end zone, diving to make the catch. Touchdown, Ryan Switzer. And a leap into the black hole.
Number 9, Eddie Pinheiro for the extra point.
Way to ball, baby. Way to ball.
Hell of a job, man. Great. Hell of a job.
Yo, I told you couldn't come, boy. That was 4 feet high.
That's slim, bro.
4 feet.
He just made y'all look.
It is good. Andrew DePaula, the long snapper in that group. So Pinheiro's debut here in the preseason. He's 3 for 3.
Like that, man.
I should have got it. I knew it was coming, but I was like, no, let's say continue.
Four-man pressure on 3rd down. They get to Castle. The ball is out. And the Raiders jump on it. James Cowser got to the quarterback and knocked it loose. John Gruden picks up the W, and plenty of things to talk about for the next week to prepare for the Rams.